And that growing pushback against Labour's proposed national hate speech laws includes faith leaders who warn they could allow some preachers to hide behind their religion. And Conservative MPs say the changes would drastically limit free speech.
Stamping out hate is no simple task. Labor wants to criminalise the incitement of racial hatred with penalties of up to 5 years in jail, but the laws would not apply to anyone directly quoting from or referencing a religious text for the purpose of teaching or discussion. Jewish leaders believe it's a loophole that would give hate preachers a free pass.
The intentional promotion of hatred is not really something that ought to be protected under any circumstances, including using religion as a cloak.
The New South Wales Premier also flagging concern.
If it's then used to vilify, harass or encourage violence, then there can't be an excuse.
This defence is really, at the moment, unless it is widened, is really quite limited. So I think it's a bit of a red herring really in this debate.
Labor's omnibus bill, which also includes a national gun buyback, is currently being examined by a parliamentary inquiry.
We'll always have an open mind when it looks at all aspects of legislation. That's our job.
Law-abiding Australians are targeted in this bill alongside Islamic hate preachers, as if there's somehow an equality of guilt.
Labor wants the bill passed when Parliament returns next week. It remains in talks with the Greens and Coalition, but some Conservative MPs have already made up their mind.
I have absolutely no intention, regardless of the position adopted by the Coalition, frankly, of supporting this bill.
The biggest attack on free speech since Robert Menzies tried to ban the Communist Party.
Even if the laws pass, the High Court may have the final say.
The risk is if they're rushed, that you get unintended consequences or the law is not as effective as it should be.
Cameron Redden, Sky News, Canberra.